Welcome back to my YouTube channel Noor Designs Collection, your go-to destination for stylish and elegant hijab fashion. From modest everyday wear to chic formal outfits, we bring you the latest trends, styling tips, and inspiration for every occasion. Whether you love classic looks or modern hijabi styles, we've got something for everyone. Join us on this journey to celebrate modest fashion with grace and confidence. Subscribe now and stay stylish. Looking for the perfect hijab outfit? You are in the right place. At Noor Designs Collection, we showcase stunning hijab outfit ideas for casual days, work, special occasions, and everything in between. Our goal is to make modest fashion effortless and elegant for every hijabi. Hijab fashion is more than just clothing, it's a statement of elegance and confidence. We bring you beautiful, modern, and modest outfit ideas to help you look your best while staying true to your values. Let's embrace fashion with grace. Subscribe today and start your modest style journey. Where fashion meets faith. Discover modest hijab outfits that blend style, comfort, and elegance. Whether you prefer classic looks or trendy styles, we have something for every hijabi. Stay inspired, stay confident. Modest fashion is powerful, elegant, and timeless. We bring you hijab outfit ideas that blend sophistication with confidence. From casual wear to formal looks, our styling tips will help you embrace your unique style effortlessly. Join us on this journey of fashion and self-expression. Subscribe today. Where style meets modesty, looking chic while staying modest has never been easier. Is your destination for hijab fashion that's trendy, elegant, and full of confidence. Explore outfit inspirations, expert styling tips, and fashion trends tailored for modern hijabers. Subscribe now and elevate your modest style. Confidently modest, unapologetically stylish. Hijab fashion is more than just covering, it's a statement of elegance and confidence. We showcase stunning hijab outfit ideas, from everyday chic to glamorous event looks. Stay inspired, stay stylish, subscribe and join our modest fashion community. Yes, you can find designs of dresses for every type of women. Number 1. Bridal dresses, Dulhan Ki Kapde. Lehenga choli, heavy embroidery, zari work, or pastel tones for a modern bridal look. Gown-style bridal dress, flowy, royal-looking gowns with hijab styling. Sharara, Dharara set, traditional yet trendy for wedding functions. Anarkali suit, floor-length anarkali with intricate embroidery for a graceful look. Number 2. Party wear dresses, maxi dress, elegant, flowy gowns with hijab styling. A-line dresses, stylish and modest, perfect for formal events. Peplum tops with skirts or pants, a chic Indo-Western fusion. Sari with modest draping, classic saris with covered styling. Number 3. Casual and everyday wear, kurti with palazzo or jeans, comfortable and stylish. Long tunic with trousers, a modest and trendy everyday look. Abaya dresses, stylish and simple, perfect for modest fashion. Shirt dresses, long, button-down dresses for a casual yet classy look. Number 4. Office and formal wear, blazer with long dress, professional and elegant. Long shirt with trousers, a modest yet stylish choice for work. Pleated skirts with blouse, trendy and work appropriate. Number 5. Western dresses, midi and maxi dresses, perfect for outings or formal events. Jumpsuits, chic and modern modest fashion. Tunic with leggings, simple yet stylish for a casual day out. If you want to see the design of a specific dress, you can tell me. I can also give you ideas or images according to the trend. Hijabi wedding dresses combine elegance with modesty, offering stunning designs that cater to different styles and traditions. Here are some popular styles. Number 1. Classic ball gown, a voluminous skirt with intricate lace or beaded details. Long sleeves for full coverage, paired with a matching lace or silk hijab. Number 2. A-line elegance, flowy and flattering silhouette, can feature delicate embroidery or pearls. A lightweight chiffon hijab for a soft look. Number 3. Minimalist and modern, simple, sleek satin or crepe fabric. Clean lines with minimal embellishments. A structured, draped hijab for a sophisticated touch. Number 4. Princess-inspired, sparkling beadwork with a fitted bodice. Layered tulle or organza skirt. A regal, embellished hijab. Number 5. Traditional and cultural fusion, kaftan style or abaya-inspired wedding dresses. Gold or silver embroidery reflecting cultural heritage. A richly embroidered or jeweled hijab. Would you like recommendations for specific designers or online stores? Frock outfits with hijab for weddings. Wearing a frock-style dress with a hijab is a perfect combination of elegance and modesty for a wedding. Whether you're the bride, bridesmaid, or guest, here are some stunning styles to consider. Number 1. Anarkali frock with hijab, classic and royal. Checkmark style. A long, heavily embroidered anarkali frock with a flared bottom. Checkmark fabric. Silk, georgette, or net with intricate zardozi or mirror work. Checkmark colors. Deep maroon, emerald green, navy blue, gold, or ivory. Checkmark hijab style. A side-draped chiffon or silk hijab to enhance the regal look. Pair with a man tikka over the hijab for a traditional touch. Number 2. Gown style frock with hijab, modern and elegant. Checkmark style. A floor-length gown style frock with a fitted bodice and a flared skirt. Checkmark fabric. Satin, silk, or chiffon with delicate embroidery. Checkmark colors. Pastel tones like blush pink, lilac, champagne, or powder blue. Checkmark hijab style. A flowy or layered hijab in georgette for a soft, dreamy effect. Secure with a crystal hijab pin for extra glam. Number 3. Peplum frock with hijab, trendy and modest. Checkmark style. A peplum style frock with a long, flowy skirt or sharara pants. Checkmark fabric. Net, velvet, or organza with heavy embellishments. Checkmark colors. Bold shades like wine red, dark teal, or rose gold. Checkmark hijab style. A turban style hijab for a modern touch. Pair with statement earrings and a jeweled hijab pin. Number 4. A-line frock with hijab, minimalist and chic. Checkmark style. A simple yet elegant A-line frock with light embroidery. Checkmark fabric. Soft crepe, chiffon, or georgette for a graceful drape. Checkmark colors. Neutral tones like beige, grey, soft peach, or mint green. Checkmark hijab style. A neatly wrapped silk hijab for a polished effect. Add a delicate brooch for extra elegance. Number 5. Layered or ruffled frock with hijab, dramatic and princess-like. Checkmark style. A multi-layered frock with ruffles or tulle for a voluminous look. Checkmark fabric. Organza, net, or satin for a luxurious feel. Checkmark colors. Royal shades like deep purple, dark blue, or ruby red. Checkmark hijab style. A loose draped or layered hijab to complement the frock's volume. Pair with a matching or contrast hijab for a bold statement. As we approach Eid in 2025, ethnic wear continues to evolve, blending traditional aesthetics with contemporary trends. Here are some of the latest styles to consider for your festive wardrobe. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget that to subscribe, like, comment and share.